back to another promogator video. I am Ignacio. Today we're going to be going over drop shipping and blind shipping. So a lot of customers have asked us if we could drop ship to their customers. So as you know, here at Promogator, the majority of our customers are either promotional product distributors, ad agencies, or other print brokers. So in order to streamline our business, we've created a new feature on our website called drop shipping. It works with either UPS, FedEx, and DHL. DHL is good for international orders. FedEx, UPS for all the domestic orders. So the way it works is you're going to go onto our website, sign up. We're going to have a tutorial here shortly. But what you will need to do is get a copy of your most recent bill. Here I have a UPS bill. The reason you would get a copy of the most recent bill is because it has all the data that you're going to need to connect to our API. And this is great for shipping products from our warehouse with your name and directly to your customers, so your customers will think that it's coming from your own warehouse. So we allow our customers to use our warehouse as a drop shipping location. So increase your business selling promotional items with Promogator and our easy to use online platform. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to our website, promogator.com, and as you know, you would have to log in. Logging in is an essential part of our platform. The first thing you do is click shipping providers. It's a new feature on the site. Here you can see UPS, FedEx, DHL. There is a connect button. All you're going to do is click that connect button. Once you click the connect button, it's going to ask you some information. Account number, first name, last name, address. All this you could find on the bill that you have on there. The bill also has the control ID, the invoice number, the invoice amount, and also the invoice date. This form is very easy to use. I've noticed that UPS is a lot harder to connect. They ask more questions, but for the most part, you fill out this form for security reasons. This will connect through the API through our website and will allow us to ship. FedEx, as you can see, has less requirements, doesn't require most of the items. You could probably do without a FedEx bill if you know your company address, phone number, account number, which is the most important. And the nickname is just what you could set for the labels. DHL, again, very simple, nickname and account number. They don't require too much information when shipping via the API. What's great about using the API, it's going to save time on the shipping, avoid mistakes, and will offer one-click shipments when you're drop shipping products. Now, if you connected your account successfully, once you refresh the page, you will see a disconnect button. Disconnect will disconnect your account number from our platform. Keep in mind, we only drop ship. You only drop ship when you need to. By default, we would charge you the shipping, but if you request to ship on your account, you are going to need to connect your account. So once again, this is very useful. So I recommend, this is a UPS bill. It has your information that you will need to set up the account. Here you could see the address, the name of the company for the UPS bill. I have purposely crossed out the account number. So this is our dropship function on the website. Once it's connected, you can change the address, add the address to ship to, ship from. You don't need to even log in to create the labels anymore. Literally, all you do is fill out this information. Our platform shows you the rates you're going to be paying, and we would click a button, print the label for you, and you are on your way. Our system automatically sends you an email notification and also an SMS notification if you subscribe for SMS feature updates. Here you can see the demo. We did a multi-package very quickly. In the past, this would take more than 20 minutes to generate a label. We click a button, there is the label that gets generated, and we would slap this on your box. It would ship to your customer, making it seem like you produced the item. And that is that, my friends. If you ever need the tracking number for the items, you can log back in. Our platform saves a tracking number, and that is it. It makes shipping a breeze. It allows our staff to easily print those labels, slap them on the box, and get the product delivered to your customers. So there you have it, folks. Drop shipping and blind shipping made easy by Promogator.